Hey, it's Tyler. I have got a interesting thing here. This is going to be a helmet I bought because I discovered that it's important to protect your head when dirt biking, and I've banged my head a few times. So after a lot of research, I decided to go with a Leatt 5.5 carbon helmet. They're awesome. Dr. Leatt actually was a practicing doctor and quit his practice to make these protective gear after one or both of his sons, I can't remember, were injured. And they make awesome stuff. They're not as famous and popular as some of the other companies, but they're rad. Okay, I picked this up from FC Moto out in Germany. Amazing prices. Took a little longer to get here, but what are you going to do when you're ordering it across the pond? So here we go. Taking a look. Sorry about the camera wiggling. I trying to hold it. All right, the winter kit's in there for cold riding. We'll look at that in a second. Okay, so here we go. What do we got in here? Bag. All right, that's a good start. All right, I'm going to set this down again. Okay, so let's see. Should be red and black. It is red and black. Oh, that's nice. Holy hell. Oh, yeah. That is the shit right there. Holy hell. That is a beautiful helmet. Look at the inside of that thing. Wow. So what the cold weather gear does is it takes this thing's got amazing venting. It's got vents all over it. The word is that you can feel your hair blowing underneath it. I mean, look at this. It's just vents for miles. But when it's cold, you get this nifty thing, which is a face-friendly bubkiss that goes under your chin here, or we flip that over it like that and mounts in there. And then it also comes with these plugs that go inside and plug up the vents, which is rad, because that way you could ride it in the winter and not have that superior venting a problem, or less desirable, or however you want to say that. So that's it. You know, like I said, I did a lot of looking at helmets, and this thing is just badass. It's really light. It's DOT approved. Stoked. Order one. FC Moto out of Germany. Great company. Thank you for the amazing price. I paid barely over 300 bucks for this helmet, and if you look at them for the carbon 5.5s, they're between 5 and 6 normally. So thanks for watching. We'll see you another time.